Gravity.
I'm Renee.
And we want to share a little bit of our new resource coming out from Stenhouse called Teacher's Toolkit for Independent Reading. And one of the features that we offer in the book are grade level specific guides to conferring. They're called your everyday guide to conferring with third graders, fourth graders, or fifth graders. And one of the things we're most excited about is that there isn't really any other resource that we've written or anybody else that we've seen write that's specific to your grade level. So we're going to show you just 3 of the many tools that are in this resource. So the first one is a look and listen for chart. And it's based on our curriculum guide that has 5 instructional units per grade level. Of course, you don't have to do them in the unit. We put them there. They're one suggested way it might go. And there are a few resources within that. So look and listen for chart. And at the top of the chart, it gives you some conferring questions that you can ask so you know how to start a conference with that particular instructional focus in mind. Because sometimes saying like, tell me about your book or tell me about your thinking is helpful. But sometimes we want to ask a much more specific question that matches our instructional focus. So there's a few ideas right here for teachers. Underneath that, the chart lists some characteristics of the kinds of thinking that students tend to do when it comes to that focus. So for example, I'm looking at one that's a 5th grade tool called Researching an Important Issue, and it breaks down the researching process across this continuum. And so the idea is that as a teacher, I'm listening, I'm getting to know the student, and I can identify the type of thinking they're currently doing. There's examples here for teachers, can reinforce it, and then I can just look right to the right on the chart to decide what to teach next. So the idea is on one chart, it has questions and look and listen fors for your particular grade level. And I think what I'm most excited about, besides the fact that this is grade level specific, is even if I don't know the student's book, I can focus on their thinking, and this chart helps me feel prepared for what I might look for.
Gravity, something else I'm excited about is, in addition to the look and listen for charts, we also have samples from our own reading notebooks to offer you all, because you'll have your own teacher's notebook as a part of the teacher's toolkit. So you'll find there will be pages of our reading notebook that match each teaching focus. Gravity and I have curated a selection of teaching text, both fiction and nonfiction text, that again correlate with the look and listen for charts. So we hope that helps support you in your preparation. When you sit side by side, you've identified where students might need some support. You can model your thinking in your notebook and model your thinking in a teaching text, all in one kit.
Yes. So we're hoping that this is really supportive for you. It helps you feel really prepared, and we know that your students will benefit when you feel confident with questions to ask, with what to look and listen for, with text you can model with, and notebook entries that you can show them that you created yourself.